This is Andrew Hefley with Precision Line Window Washing and Soft Washing. Here we have Dan the Man, one of our highly trained cleaning technicians. He's conducting what we call a post-rinse to rinse off all the cleaning detergents we use to clean all the vinyl siding, patio, decking, and pool area. All these detergents are safe when properly handled by trained professionals. One of our safety measures is to rinse off all vegetation before, during, and after our detergent application, like Dan the Man is doing here. This is a beautiful property, and in this photo we're showing you how we safely and accurately replace all the items back onto the patio. Before we clean, we take photos so when we replace these items we know exactly where they belong. We believe in restoring things back to their original state. Again, what a gorgeous property located in Mountain Home, Arkansas, with so many different and unique angles that we could clean. One of the great amenities of this property is that they had a stunning poolside with wonderful white vinyl siding we were able to soft wash and refresh in. We even had the pleasure to not only wash the vinyl upper deck, but also take a moment to enjoy its gorgeous view. Overall, such a gorgeous property. We've listed here some before and after photos of some areas that needed a little more TLC, and as you can tell, they turned out marvelous. One of the reasons we were able to do this type of detailed cleaning is because we have the professional equipment, knowledge, and experience to provide this level of cleaning. We serve all of Arkansas and southern Missouri. We clean roofs, siding, driveways, windows, and even trash bins. We clean residential, commercial, are licensed, bonded, and insured. For your free, no obligation quote, visit precisionlinewindows.com, call or text 870-227-0236. We are your clear choice. Thank you and talk soon.